How to remove the front soft roller on your Shark DuoClean. I'm going to show you how to take this off and refit it so you can keep it clean and running freely. The first floor head we're going to look at is this type with a little button on the side. You simply put the vacuum cleaner on its side and then push the button forwards. This releases the soft brush roll. Then pull it out. This gives you the perfect chance to check for anything behind the roller that may be restricting it. I do also have a full cleaning video on my channel showing you how to clean these. It's in the top corner now, I'll put it in the description as well. To refit this, we're going to put the cog end in first, and then the other end that spins will have some kind of little hook. You put that part in first and then simply press it in and you'll hear it click and lock. If however you're still looking for that release button on the side of your floor head, then you have the second type of floor tool that Shark made. This has a flap on the top that can be released by pressing buttons on the side. Once you've released this, just pull it off and you'll see a little pull tab on the end of your orange roller. Just pull that out and that will release the roller. This one shows you a perfect example where there's hair build up behind the roller. So just clean all that off and then it won't be restricting the movement of your roller when it's spinning round. Now we need to refit this. There's no click lock on this, so you're going to just put the cog end in, and then again there's a shape to it, so you put in the smooth part on the outside and just push that in and it won't physically click, but when you put the top on, that will click into position and it kind of holds it all in place. So there you have it. You can now take off your roller whenever you like. I hope you found this video helpful. This next one is going to take you to a full cleaning video showing you how to clean the entire floor head on your Shark vacuum cleaner.